So welcome to the online class of Astrofox YouTube channel. So we have put a series of videos of calculation of Udayam, Arudam and Kavipu in the previous classes. So you also got sufficient time to go through all the calculations. So by this time you will be having a fair idea like what is Udayam, what is Kavipu, what is Arudam, everything. So today before I get into the Jammakol calculations, let me give you a fair idea how this Jammakol works and how it can give you excellent results. Okay, so you don't have to remember many yogas. For example, you can even do something using prasana, the traditional way, but there you have to remember many yogas like Itashala or Mutashela, Indurva, Igbala, right? Here nothing as such, no cumbersome process. It's just your logic, just like how we go in Nadi. It's mainly your Tarka Sastra. The same phenomena is followed even in Jammakol, but with many things. Okay, so Jammakol is one thing which can even tell you the things which is concealed. When you go for other PRASSANAM methods, what happens is when you are asking some question, definitely you will get an answer. No way, no method is superior or inferior to anything. But I am saying the advantage in Jammakol is it will also show you the consequence of a particular thing done. For example, now we will take this example. Say a person has come, the Udayam is Meena Udayam. Okay, and I said from Udayam all things are calculated and Arudam indicates the purpose. So we see Arudam is in 7th. So I said when Arudam is in 7th, the person might have come related to the marriage issues. Okay, based on the age we can say that, right? And so we said is it related to marriage, and he agreed yes it is related to marriage. Then we see what can be the thing. For example, for marriage to be successful, there are many conditions. Okay, many means not many, actually 3 or 4 conditions, that's all. Okay, which we will discuss. Now we are going to see this whether this marriage is successful or not successful. For that, this Udayam Lord should not be debilitated. Okay, so who is the Udayam Lord here? Jupiter. Okay, so this Jupiter should not be debilitated, and the 7th house, okay, and the 7th Lord should be strong. If these conditions are satisfied, then we can say the marriage will take place. And let us assume in this example the 7th house marriage is good and 7th Lord is also good, everything is fine. Okay, so we will say it's positive. But this Kavipu sitting here, okay, what is this role? This role says yes, the 7th house is good and 7th Lord is good, you will definitely get married. But it gives an hidden fact to the astrologer, you will get married but you will never have children. Why? Because in 5th house the Kavipu is there. So Kavipu is indirectly telling this person, even though we will definitely get married, we will have difficulty in getting the progeny. There can be delay or there can be denial based on other planets' strength. Okay, so the Kavipu shows you the hidden consequences of a particular action. Okay, so like this, whenever somebody comes to see us just on the planet approaching this Udayam, okay, we can say what is the purpose they have come. Okay, and this will, along with this, when you take this Arudam and Udayam Lord, it will exactly give you the clue. For example, when the 7th house, it can be related to some partnership business also, right? But when you combine the Arudam, Udayam Lord and planet approaching Udayam, we can separate all things and we can narrow down into a single consequence, or what is that purpose he has come. Okay, and then we have to remember position of Arudam and position of Udayam Lord, position of the Karaka, and where Kavipu is placed. In simple, if I want to say, whichever Bhava or whichever Lord Kavipu gets connected, that particular Bhava as Karaka gets destroyed. Okay, it is very simple as this. Anyways, in the next coming classes, we'll see the calculation of the Jama graphs. Like for example, a day is divided into 8 different Jamas. Okay, how the division is done and how the planets change, all those things we'll be seeing in the coming classes. I just got slightly busy, so that is the reason for some time I was not able to post the videos. Anyways, we'll try to do it on a regular basis. If you have any doubts, kindly just put it in the comments column. Thanks a lot.